Places Let's Go. We're here in Lane, Southern Orchard, and we're in their packaging plant. Let me show you a quick little 360 of what you're going to see, and then I'll tell you all about it. Look at this. This is quite the production. All right, it starts over here where the peaches come down. If you watch carefully, they're sorting them, and they're going into different bins. That red machine back there takes pictures of the shape, the quality, the size, and it knows exactly what bin to put it in. Look at that. And then they come out of the bin into these boxes. Those are 4-pound boxes for Georgia fudges. These boxes right here are peach truck. If you've heard about a peach truck, let us know. These are 12-pound boxes and 9-pound boxes. And the peaches are going right there. So right now they're only doing 2 types of orders for customers, but these are other types of boxes they can assemble as well. And if you're wondering where all these boxes come from, they come off the truck and they're called blanks. They go in that back room back there, and they are folded and glued, and then they come around, if you look, on that conveyor belt over there, you can see them coming around, look right there. See them? Right there. They're coming around and then down this assembly line. Then when the guys and ladies get to assembly in them, they push them out down there. So they load the pallet. The pallets go over there. They brush back up those individual bays. And then they take the pieces on their way, just like that pallet just finished. Psych, they're adding more to it. This is so interesting. Thank you so much to the Lane employees for letting us come in today with Places Let's Go and film this. They have a lot of orders, things you can order to go, so check out their produce on their website. And if you get a chance, come into Fort Valley, Georgia, and visit Lane Southern Orchards. Places Let's Go. We're here at Lane Southern Orchard. Check out those 12 and 25-pound boxes that these men are packing with these beautiful peaches here in Fort Valley, Georgia. The man, Mr. Bill, just took me on a tour and told me that some of these workers are third-generation workers from Mexico. They come in from May to August. They stay on the grounds. They have transportation to town. They have all they need, and they come in and do a great job and send us peaches all over the world. So check out Lane Southern Orchard. You can order online. Places Let's Go. Places Let's Go here at Lane's Southern Peach Orchards. We're at the Peach Tree
so
Cafe.
Good.
Isn't it delicious? Look at this. Peach cobbler and peach ice cream. Unbelievable. Fort Valley, Georgia. Places Let's Go.
It's Peachy King.
This is a 1944 Model 4 McCormick 38 horsepower 5-speed. His name is Old 4. He's been plowing on this peach farm for over 70 years. See those peaches? I've plowed fields, pulled wagons for as long as I can remember, but I've been in retirement for about 10 years. You can get on here and feel what a real peach farmer feels like here in Georgia. Hi, my name is Harvey. I was born in 1959 and I'm an IH 140 International Harvester, 17 horsepower, 4-speed. I went to work on the farm the same year. I'm the little fellow in the group. I have 17 horses, so I keep the grass mowed and the garden clear of weeds. I love being here for kids to play on me. Hi, my name is John Deere Jr. I am from the John Deere family. I'm a 1947 Model B John Deere 26 horsepower 6-speed. I've always worked on the farm, pulling boxes of peaches from the field to the packing shed. When I was younger, I would take the kids on hay rides during festivals. John Deere green. Look at this. Hi, I'm a row crop tractor and I'm a daddy's girl. My name is Allie. I'm a 1953 WD-45 Alice Chalmers row crop tractor. I've been working on the farm with Dad, tending to the soybeans, cotton, and peanuts. It's hard being the firstborn and the only girl on the farm, but with 45 horsepower, I had a lot to offer. I hope you enjoy your time here in Fort Valley, Georgia, on the Lane